In today's video, I will walk you through how to clone your voice with AI without any distortions. Once you're signed in and on the main dashboard, look over to the menu on the left side of the screen and click on the Voices tab. After entering the Voices section, look toward the top right corner of the page and click on Clone Voice. At this point, you'll be asked to choose between two voice cloning methods. The first option is Instant Clone, and the second is Professional Clone. If you want to create a voice clone quickly, select Instant Clone. This method requires a minimum of 10 seconds of recorded audio, or an audio clip of yourself speaking. Upload your recording and continue with the process. If you're aiming for a more detailed voice clone, choose Professional Clone instead. This option requires at least 30 minutes of clean audio. Upload the required recording so ElevenLabs can build a more complete voice model from your speech. Whichever method you decide to use, make sure the audio you're uploading is clean and recorded using a high-quality microphone. Using clear recordings helps reduce distortions and improves the overall quality of the finished voice clone. Once your audio has been uploaded, allow ElevenLabs to process the recording and generate your cloned voice. When the generation is complete, open the My Voices tab. Your new voice clone will appear there along with any other voices you've previously added. From the My Voices section, you can manage your cloned voices whenever you need to use them. If you decide you'd like to make adjustments to your cloned voice, locate the three-dot menu next to the voice model you just created. Click the three dots, then choose either Remix or Edit from the available options. These tools allow you to modify the cloned voice after it has been generated. If you want to refine the voice further or experiment with different changes, continue making adjustments through these options until you're satisfied with the result. After saving your changes, your updated voice model will remain available inside the My Voices section, making it easy to access for future projects. If you create additional voice models later, they'll also appear in the same area, allowing you to manage all of your cloned voices from one place. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.